Hi everyone, it's Yushin. Welcome back. This is going to be a video on how you can make these cute earrings in polymer clay. You're going to start by rolling out your conditioned yellow clay into a slab. You can do it this way or using a pasta machine. And then you're going to take out your cookie cutters and take the star one. The metal ones are better than the plastic ones because the metal ones makes a really clean cut. Then you're going to take out some alcohol and then just clean off any fingerprints, any dust on your polymer clay, making sure that everything is clean. And then you're going to fire it. The temperature and the time is slightly different with different brands, so you're going to check that on your package. And then we're going to draw the eye with an acrylic marker. You can also use acrylic paint, but I found that acrylic marker is easier to use, so it's really dependent on what you have with you. Try not to make any mistakes, but if you do, you can just clean the mistake off with some alcohol. But too much mistake and too much cleaning will mess up your clay, so making sure that you're trying your best to avoid those mistakes. After the paint is dry, you're going to add the white, so the highlight of the eye. And now it looks a lot like the stars in Mario. If you want to make stud earrings, then you have to super glue the ear backing to your polymer clay. If you want to make dangling or hoop earrings, then you can skip this step. After the glue is dry, you can apply varnish. Acrylic matte varnish will give you a matte look, and then UV resin will give you a really shiny glossy look. You can also use the glossy acrylic varnish if you want a glossy look, but I personally like UV resin better. And if you have any bubbles in your resin, you can either use a torch or use some alcohol. But remember not to use too much alcohol because too much alcohol could cause your resin to cure unsmoothly. It would create a really ugly line on the surface. When you're applying varnish to the top of your stud earrings, you can stick the earring back to a piece of foam so that it won't be tilting to one direction while you're curing it. You can either use a UV lamp to cure it or you can leave it outside in the sun. The sun will also help you cure UV resin. And lastly, you're going to drill holes and attach different jewelry findings. You can make it into whatever you want. You can also make it into keychains if you like. And you're all done. You can wear it. If you have any questions, make sure that you comment below. See you next time.